I started the process with another dentist, and it wasn't working out very well, so I started looking for another dentist. And I also wanted a general dentist because we had recently moved to the area. And I looked online, and the reviews were good, and he was close. And when I made contact with the person in the office, it just seemed like someplace that I'd be okay with trusting him with my dental work.
So Maria came to see us as a second opinion consultation. She needed some extensive work done with some implants and some crowns, and she just wasn't comfortable with the information that she'd received from her general dentist.
When I came in for the consultation, he gave me his opinion about what would be needed to be done, how invasive it would need to be, whether like extra bone would have to be added, and he did what he said he was going to do when he said he was going to do it for the amount that he said it would be. So that was what I wanted, and I was very happy with that.
So what we find is that patients really do a lot of research before they come to see us. They're concerned about having someone do these procedures, and they want to make sure that they're really in the right hands, that they're with someone that really has a high level skills that can perform the treatments that they need. With every patient that walks through the door, we want to make sure that we earn their trust. We do that by being honest, by being transparent, and by taking care of them just like family, like they would want to be cared for.
I would absolutely recommend Dr. Harrell, and I would definitely do it again.